So what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing. If you're not familiar with the platform Sproutgigs, this is a platform that connects freelancers and a lot of business owners together. With this platform guys, a lot of people that are looking to hire people to just simply complete some simple tasks actually come onto the platform, upload their tasks on the platform, and people that complete the tasks are actually going to just simply get paid some cool money right now. And I'm just simply going to show you how to actually utilize this particular website called Sproutgigs.com to go on to promoting your CPA marketing offers and make profitable income with this. And guys, I'm going to show you a very cool and free way you can actually do this on the platform, and I'm also going to show you the paid strategy. So stick on with me as we dive right in. But before we go on further into the video guys, you may want to check out the first link in the description of the video, and that link is going to lead you right here to this amazing landing page. Now this is actually a course that I'm going to be giving out to you guys right here. This is a course that teaches you how to make up to $2,000 to $3,000 every single month on YouTube right now. So it teaches you how to set up a 3-hour YouTube work plan that can fast track your channel growth and revenue. With the platform right now, or with this particular course, you can make a lot of money, and the course right now is actually on a giveaway price of $50 right now. You can save up to $150 today if you're going to purchasing this course, and this offer expires on April 1st 2024, so you might want to just simply grab hold of this right now. As you can see right here, after that particular date, you're going to be purchasing this price or purchasing this course right now for about $200 right here. So why not just simply grab hold of this? You can actually scroll through and you're going to be seeing the payment proof or the earning proof of some individual that utilizes this course previously right now. You can see how much they're actually earning from this particular strategy in the course. You could also go on to checking out this video proof right now, or you could just simply click out the first link in the description of the video, come onto this page and check out all this stuff right here. And I assure you guys, you don't want to miss out on this. So if you're new to my channel OJ Marketing, I make videos on ways to make money online, and if you like such kind of content, you can scroll through the channel. There are a lot of videos to help you out. You could also hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and make sure your notification bell is always turned on all to get alerted whenever I release some videos to help boost your income online. So diving right ahead into the video of today, we first of all want to go on to grabbing a CPA offer which we want to promote, and you could get offers from platforms like CPAGRIP. And if you're utilizing CPAGRIP, you don't have an account, click on register. It's going to bring you right here to this page where you just need to provide your basic details on all the fields with the red asterisk signs. As you can see right here, it says it indicates the required field you must fill out before an account can be created on a platform like CPAGRIP. And you also want to check out these boxes like I did right here to agree to the terms of service, of which you can read by clicking on this terms of service option right now, and agree to that before you can register for an account. Now once you have actually registered for your account, you can go on to logging into your account. So guys, once you're logged in right now, you may want to come onto this page by clicking on this offer tools option. A drop down list to be shown to you. Select the my offers option right here and be brought to this page. Right now guys, you want to just simply filter your offers to any country of your choice, but you want to take notes guys that since we're utilizing the platform called Sproutgigs to promote our CPA offer, we need to understand the countries that visit this website the most. And if you analyze Sproutgigs using similar web statistics, you actually do find out that Sproutgigs got about 1.8 million visits in just the last 28 days. That's a huge amount of traffic. And if you scroll down right now to this Sproutgigs web traffic by country, you can see the countries that visit the website the most, which is actually Egypt, Indonesia, Brazil, Sri Lanka, and Nigeria. So right now guys, I could easily promote an offer to one of these top countries, or the countries with the highest percentage right now, and I can easily go on to getting much more traffic to my offers that way. So if I actually go back to that CPA marketing platform, I can just simply go on to changing this particular demographic to Egypt. So if I do go on to type in Egypt right here and select that demographic, I will be able to see offers available to the Egyptian demographic. So if I click on payout, you can see the offers available right now. So I could just simply select one of this offer, and since I don't actually speak this language, I'm just going to go on to highlighting this right now. Maybe if I do highlight the text, I can just simply head on to copying the text, head on to this particular platform, which is any browser of your choice, and search for Google Translator. And if you search for that right now, Here's the Google Translator, of which I want to just simply paste in the text. It's going to detect the language, and you can see the translation in English, which says get your iPhone 14 Pro, enter your mobile phone number now for a chance to win. So right now you can actually see that that's what the offer is all about, and this image actually corresponds with that. You can actually still see that the offer is for people that uses Apple iOS devices, that you just need to go on to submitting their phone numbers while going through a survey using this my unique affiliate link, and I'm going to get paid 34 cents right now for each person that completes the offer. So all you need to do right now is to just simply copy the link to the offer right now, and you can actually go on to creating a landing page if you want, or you could promote the offer directly if you also want right now. So you can see right now, guys, that you could use platforms like Google Sites, Breezy Cloud, Systemy.io to create landing page if you want right now. And if you just want to create a landing page, you can check out my channel OJ Marketing, click on the search icon and just simply type in landing page. If you do type in landing page right now and click on enter, it's going to take you to some cool videos I created for you that teaches you how to create landing pages with some cool platforms like Google Sites, Systemy.io, Webflow, Breezy Cloud, and a lot more cool other platforms out there. So check out such videos, as they could actually prove useful to you in converting landing pages for your CPA offers. So once you've created a landing page, or you want to promote your offer directly, you could actually head back to this platform called Sproutgigs. Now while on Sproutgigs right now, if you don't have an account, click on sign up. It's going to bring you to this page where you could just simply fill out the details right here that you are actually being requested to fill, and you can actually go on to signing up either as a freelancer or as a buyer. So regardless of any account which you do sign up for, you can actually see promote your CPA offer right here. So guys, once you successfully signed up to an account right now, or log into your account on Sproutgigs, you can actually come right here. As you can see, I'm on the buyer's account. I can just simply go on to clicking on this spendable, and I'll be able to see how to go on to funding my account with any of this page with this payment method right now. So you could easily fund your account. That's if you want to just simply utilize the paid method. Now if you want to utilize the free method, just simply go on to switching your account from the buyer's account to the freelance account, and you can easily do that via clicking on this icon. Now you can see, guys, I'm back on the freelancer account. I can easily come right here, click on micro jobs, click on find jobs, and once I do that, I will be able to see some cool and easy micro jobs to go on to doing and earn some cool cash. You can see for this job, I just need to watch a video for 5 seconds long, and I'm gonna get paid $2.50. You can see right now, this is actually a $3 offer to just subscribe to a channel, and this is an instant auto pay offer. You can keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see much more offers. This one is to watch a video for 10 seconds long, and I'm going to get paid $2.10. So you can actually complete as many offers as you can to generate capital that you can use to go on to promoting your offer right now on this particular page for people to go on to seeing also and completing. So once you've actually generated some income by completing other people's offer, switch your account back to the buyer's account, and once you do switch your account to the buyer's account, it's actually going to bring you to this page. Also click on micro jobs, click on post job, and if you do click on that, guys, you'll be brought to this section. You just need to go on to selecting the demographic or the continent to which that particular country are promoting your offer to. And since I'm promoting my offer to Egypt, or the Egyptian demographic, I'm just going to select Africa, and you can see right here this says select all countries you want to exclude from the selected zone. I'm going to go on to selecting all countries except Egypt, and if I do that right now, as you can see right now, I'm just simply selecting all countries. Once I'm done with that right here, I can just simply click on apply and go to next. Select the sign up offer because that's a simple sign up offer. You can just simply click on apply and go to next, and right now you want to just simply go on to inserting a title. Now you could actually go on to drafting out a title yourself. Go on to Google Translator and translate that, guys, from that particular English language to the language to which is that country actually speaks. Then you could just simply go on to copying that and pasting that on this particular section right now. You could insert a title right here. You could go on to inserting the steps for completing that particular offer. You could actually put in as many steps as you want. Once you're actually done, you want to come onto this proof section, and you want to just simply select the kind of proof you want. And this proof is actually to get proof that they actually completed that offer. So you can actually do select a text proof or a screenshot proof. Now for the screenshot proof right now, guys, it's actually going to go on to showing them or telling them to screenshot the specific page for you to confirm that they completed the offer. Now you just want to put in what they should screenshot in this particular section. So once you type in that, guys, you can type in as many proofs as you want or use multiple proofs. Once you are done, you can just simply click on apply and go to next. Here in this section, you just need to go on to inserting the amount of workers you actually need. Now increasing the amount of workers will actually increase the estimated cost of the job. So if I do take this to about 250 workers, you can see that the estimated cost went up to about $27 right now. If I go to reducing this back to 25, you can see the estimated cost is about $3.3. So you can actually go on to inserting how much each worker will earn. And since we're actually going to be earning about 34 cents from this offer, I can actually go on to giving people maybe 10 cents or maybe half of the money right there to be generous, and in that way I'll still be making some cool profits. And right now you just need to go on to clicking on apply and go to next after filling out all those details and go on to promoting your offers right now. So basically that's a very simple strategy to make money with Sproutgigs utilizing, or with CPA marketing utilizing Sproutgigs. And guys, check out my channel OJ Marketing for other cool and amazing strategies to make money online, and make sure you're subscribed to the channel and your notification bell is always turned on all. Also, don't forget, guys, to check out the first link in the description of the video to gain access to that cool and amazing course to make money with YouTube utilizing the 3 hours YouTube work plan. So that's it for now. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.